everyone, in today's video I will show you how to change signature in Zoho Mail. So first, log into your Zoho Mail account, then go to the top right side and click on settings. Now here, scroll down until you find the signature tab, and once you click on it, here you are able to edit your signature. For example, if I want to remove the last name, so I'm just erase the last name, and you can also make changes like if you want to bold the text, you can use this tool by click on the more option. Here you are able to add images, links on HTML code, and you can also change the background color. You just have to select the text, and after that click on the background color, and here you are able to change it. As you can see, after all of the changes, click on the update button, and as you can see that your signature is now changed and updated. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.